Jinping thought eh. Tingnan natin, Xi Jinping thought. Xi Jinping thought. May nasa Wikipedia na nga yung Xi Jinping thought. Okay, ano ang Xi Jinping thought? Para, kasi naman to si Tariela, gamit ng gamit. Alam mo Tariela, wait lang. Alam mo Tariela, ang isa sa feedback sa PhD mo, hindi ka marunong gumamit ng mga terms. And it shows. Dahil hindi mo rin, parang pinagbabalik-baliktad mo. Okay, ano ba yung Xi Jinping thought? Available naman yung Xi Jinping thought sa public. Nasa Wikipedia na nga. Ganun siya ka-public. Okay, ano ba yung Xi Jinping thought? Okay. It's socialism with Chinese characteristic for a new era. So, ayan. So, ito yung kanyang doktrina. Kasi nga, sa Communist Party, nagre-revise sila ng doktrina. Hindi yan madalas, pero ang mga naging revision yan, nag-umpisa yan from Marxism-Leninism, tapos nagkaroon ng extension, nagkaroon ng Mao Zedong thought, nagkaroon ng Deng Xiaoping theory, tapos 3 represents, tapos scientific outlook on development. Okay, ito na ngayon yung sinasabi nilang Xi Jinping thought. Ano ba yung Xi Jinping thought? Okay, let's see. Okay, ito ang sabi niya. First of all, socialism with Chinese characteristics is socialism, not any other ism. Okay. The guiding principles of scientific socialism thus cannot be abandoned. Our party has always emphasized adherence to the basic principles of scientific socialism, but adopted to the particular conditions of China. Okay. Asan na yan? Conditions of China. This means that socialism with Chinese characteristics is socialism, not some other doctrine. It was Marxism, Leninism, and Mao Zedong thought that guided the Chinese people out of the long night and established a new China, and it was socialism with Chinese characteristics that led to the rapid development of China. Kahit naman hindi ako pumunta dito ng China, nag-agree ako. Alam mo kung bakit? Alam mo kung bakit ako nag-agree, Tariela? Kasi nag-aral ako ng International Relations of China sa UCLA. UCLA! Sa Amerika! Tariela! Amerika! UCLA. At doon ako, sabi ko, bongga palang ginawa ng China. Ang teacher ko pa, ang professor ko pa ng Russian. Sa UCLA. University of California, Los Angeles. Nag-aral ako ng International Relations of China. Paano ako pumunta dito? Nag-agree naman ako na talagang nakabuti yung socialism sa China. So, ano kailangan? Bakit ako masisensor? Anong sisensor sa akin? Ano sasabihin ko? Anyway, next. Okay, according to Xi, the consolidation and development of the socialist system will require its own long period of history. It required the tireless struggle of generations, up to 10 generations. Okay, so ito yung Xi Jinping thought na sinasabi niya. Okay, so ano naman ngayon yan? Xi said that Marx and Engels' analysis of the basic contradictions in capitalist society is not outdated. Correct! I agree, kasi pinag-aralan ko yung Marxism, kaya nag-a-agree ako. Nor is the historical materialist view that capitalism is bound to die out and socialism is bound to win. Correct! Nag-agree uli ako. Hindi ako nag-agree because I'm a socialist, Ariela. I'm a scientific socialist. Okay. She also stated the fundamental reason why some of our comrades have weak ideals and faltering belief is that their views lack of a firm grounding in historical materialism. Ewan ko lang sa'yo, Ariela, kung naiintindihan mo historical materialism. Kasi, wala ka namang, mapuro yung utak mo. So, pag-usapang pang matalino to, Ariela. Okay, ito yung ni Xi kung bakit nag-disintegrate yung Soviet Union. Why did the Soviet Union disintegrate? Why did the Communist Party of the Soviet Union fall from power? An important reason was that the struggle in the field of ideology was extremely intense, completely negating the history of the Soviet Union, negating the history of the Communist Party of the Soviet Union, negating Lenin, negating Stalin, creating historical nihilism and confused thinking. Party organs at all levels had lost their function. The military was no longer under party leadership. In the end, the Communist Party of the Soviet Union, a great party, was scattered. The Soviet Union, a great socialist country, disintegrated. This is a cautionary tale. I agree again. So naman, I agree. Bakit? Pinag-aralan ko nga to, no? Pinag-aralan ko sa international relations kung bago ko malaman yung Xi Jinping thought na sinasabi mo, nag-agree naman ako. Walang objection masyado, no? Okay. Sabi ni Xi Jinping, so Xi Jinping thought, socialism with Chinese characteristic is the dialectical unity of the theoretical logic of scientific socialism and the historical logic of China's social development. It is a scientific socialism rooted in China's soil, one that reflects the aspiration of the Chinese people and one that is adapted to the conditions of progress in our time. It is the only way to comprehensively build a prosperous society, accelerate socialist modernization, and realize the great rejuvenation of the Chinese nation. Usapang pang matalino na naman to, Tariela. I'm not really sure, Tariela, kung naiintindihan mong ibig sabihin ng dialectical unity of the theoretical logic of scientific socialism. Paulalakihin natin, ha? Yan, Tariela. I really don't think, Tariela, na kaya ng utak mong abutin ang ibig sabihin ng dialectical unity of the theoretical logic of scientific socialism. Of scientific socialism. Okay, ano ba bang nilalaman ng Xi Jinping thought? Okay, content. Ayan na, content. Ganyan, 10 affirmations. Okay. At naging 14. Okay. So, ensuring Communist Party of China leadership over all forms of work in China. The Communist Party of China should take a people-centric approach. Wait, sandali lang, hindi ko pa sa nababasa talaga ang Xi Jinping thought, no? Ngayon ko nga lang nalaman to kay Tariela, itong Xi Jinping. Okay, so, 14 commitments under Xi Jinping thought. The Communist Party of China should take a people-centric approach for the public interest. Para naman, masama ba to? Inom nga muna ako ng Coke. Wait, masama ba yan? The Communist Party of China should take a people-centric approach for the public interest. Wow, napaka-evil naman pala ng Xi Jinping thought. Okay, next. The continuation of comprehensive deepening of reforms. Adopting new science-based ideas for innovative, coordinated, green, open, and shared development. Science-based ideas, Tariela. I don't think you know anything about science. Okay, next. Following socialism with Chinese characteristics, with people as masters of the country. Wow! Ito pala ang Xi Jinping thought. Okay, governing China with the rule of law, practice socialist core values, including Marxism, Leninism, and socialism with Chinese characteristics. Ano ba ang socialist core values? Okay, ano ba ang core values ng socialism? Prosperity, democracy, civility, harmony, freedom, equality, justice, and the rule of law, and the individual values of patriotism, dedication, integrity, and friendship. In fairness. Okay, ano bang next? Coexist well with nature. Ano ba naman itong Xi Jinping thought na to? I was expecting something evil. Can you imagine? Number 9, commitment ng Xi Jinping thought. Coexist well with nature, with energy conservation and environmental protection policies, and contribute to global ecological safety. Strengthen the national security of China. The Communist Party should have absolute leadership over China's People's Liberation Army, promoting the one country, two system, establish common destiny for... Ang corny naman ito. Diyos ko naman. Akala ko naman something evil naman to. Okay. So, 6 must. May 6 must pa lang Xi Jinping thought. First must. Must put the people first. Ano ba yan? Must put the people first. Must be self-confident and independent. Must uphold the principle of integrity and innovation. Ayan. Must be problem-oriented. Ayan. Must adhere to systematic approach. Must have a global vision. Ang dami-dami naman. Ito pa, may mga ganto-ganto pa si Xi Jinping to. Ano ba naman? Ano ba yung Uncle Xi? May Xi Jinping thought on culture. Okay, ano ba yung culture? Promoting exchanges and mutual learning among civilization. Ano ba to? Naghahanap ako ng something evil. Nakinamumuhi ng budhi ni Tariela. Ano ba yan? Ay, nakakapagod. So, ano pinagsasabi mo, Tariela? Nililecturean mo pa ako. Wala ka naman alam sa mundo, Tariela. Nag-cheat ka nga eh. You have no right. You have no moral ascendancy. You were a cheater. PMA, nasa balita yan. Dati, hanapin natin yung balita, Hindi ako nagsabi niyan, Tariela, balita yan. J. Tariela, PMA. Cheating. Okay. 2004. 2004. Ito, Diyos ko, napunta pa pala to sa 2004, Court House PMA probe on cheating. A regional trial court has restrained the Philippine Military Academy from continuing its investigation of 8 graduating cadets for alleged cheating. Okay, sino-sino ba yan? But in their suit, the 8 cadets, Habanila, Diciano, Bernardo Huerte, Jerome Losada, Mohar, Jonathan Cerote, J. Tariela, said they were deprived of their constitutional right to due process. Dinimanda mo pala yung PMA nung inimbestagahan ka ng cheating. Dinimanda mo pala due process. Okay. Okay. Hindi naman ako nagsabi. Talaga namang may cheating. Kung hindi ka nag-cheat, bakit may investigation? Ayan ang sabi ni Jovelyn Hermano, Management Information Science. Kaya pala wala kang alam sa science kasi Professor Jovelyn Hermano accused them of violating the honor code by allegedly cheating in her class. Sabi daw, mere suspicion lang daw yun, sabi nila Tariela, since some of their answers to an exam Hermano gave them were similar to those in another class. Alam mo, pag similar yan, cheating yun. Anyway, Arevalo said a cadet found to have violated the honor code has 2 options. Resign as part of a gentleman's agreement or stay in the academy but suffer less respect for not upholding the code. Okay. So, hindi ba ako nasabi yan? So, And I never just heard it from someone. I heard it someone higher than you. So, hindi ko kasalanan yun, Tariela. It's not my fault that your background is out there. Okay, so ngayon, yun ang sinasabi ni Tariela, no, na Xi Jinping thought. I don't know, I don't understand. Anong problema? Bakit niya ako nililecturean ng kung anong patakaran dito sa China? Wala naman sa China. Hindi naman siya ever nag-aral dito sa China. And I don't think that you will ever be able to set foot in China. Huwag mo sabihin ayaw mo, be. Lahat ng gamit mo sa bahay made in China. Anyway, Kapigyan ko lang kayo ng, ng something, some sort of a background on what I'm actually doing. Ewan ko, paano naman ito papasok sa Xi Jinping to? Well, hindi naman ito maiintindihan ni Tariela kasi wala naman siyang alam sa science. So, ito, halimbawa ito. Sakalin ko lang ito. Okay, now. So, halimbawa ito. And this is just one, this is very, very, okay. So, this formula, I developed this formula because it is part of my theory, no, my method. So, I don't know kung paano ito. Ewan ko kung anong, naiintindihan kaya ito ni Tariela? Naiintindihan mo kaya yan, Tariela? Naiintindihan mo to? Ito, ginawa ko yan. I developed this, I derived this after some experiments. So, I derived this formula in order to test it, to demonstrate it. So, I don't know, Tariela, kung naiintindihan mo yan. I don't expect you to understand it because hindi. Ewan ko. So, ayun na nga. So, Tariela, makaawa ka na bumalik ako ng Pilipinas. Kawawa ko naman. Kasi hindi mo kayang makipagdiskurso. Kaya kailangan mo ng backup. Kailangan mo yung tatakot dun sa tao na pag ayaw magsalita ng tao na tatanggapin ng mga corrupt na congressman, ikukulong nila. Gusto mo yung mga ganyan. Wait. Hindi ba parang yan? Yan ata yung totoong yan ata yung totoong lacking academic freedom. Yung pag ayaw ng NICOM yung sagot mo, ititreaten ka nila ng contempt. Yan ang walang freedom. Tariela. Anyway, J. Tariela, ito naman sasabi ko sa'yo. Sabi mo, hindi ayaw mo doon ng gutter talk, ganyan. Alam mo, Tariela, humarap ka sa salamin. That is the gutter, and now talk. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a good night.